Hi everyone, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner. Now this is a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance with hot public offerings and the all-important information about the listing companies. Now before investing in shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and the operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the company sees fit. Well, let's look at some proposed IPO listings scheduled for this week. First up, Botala Energy, a gas exploration and development company aiming to explore the Seraway CBM project in Botswana. Now, the company intends to prove the gas field can produce gas and explore related early-stage renewable energy opportunities. Botala's immediate focus is developing its project in the town of Botswana, a regionally important place adjacent to important highways, rail and electricity generating and distribution infrastructure. Botala Energy has undertaken a $7 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price. Now, according to the ASX website, it plans to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 14th of July at 2:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Next up, we have Chalkos Metals. Now, this company is exploring an advanced portfolio of exploration targets in the world-class Northwest Minerals province in Queensland. Its tenement package includes several advanced exploration assets located adjacent to the world-class Mount Isa mine that's owned by Glencore, 10 kilometres from the mining town of Mount Isa. The project has underground mines, mineral processing and smelting facilities, power generation and rail infrastructure through to the export hub of Townsville. Mount Isa Mines is the largest copper producer in Australia. Chalkos Metals has undertaken an $8 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price. It plans to list on the ASX on the 20th of July at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but let me share this information with you first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and their track record. Risk appetite can vary by investors, and you need to consider factors such as an analyst view, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and peer review before making an investment decision. Also, it's important to note that companies can change the IPO price or their issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now for the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.